Good morning everyone, my name is Tanu Katubay, and for today's video I will share my honest thoughts and my learning experience in this subject, the contemporary world. So first of all, I would like to apologize about my language, but I will do my best to share my opinions and experiences in this subject with understandable words and some language or dialect. So my honest thoughts about this subject is, first of all, I didn't expect that my subject teacher will be Doc Arturo. And second is thinking kung ano ang matabo in this subject, since this subject is new for me and I was curious about this subject, and I'm also curious about my classmate, who will be my classmate and so on, and what will be the activity in this subject, and so maybe we will have again another gardening, since Duke Art is our teacher in STS and ethics last year, or when last year I mean. So I was expecting that time that we will have a gardening. Natabo man gid siya, and my honest thought about this in this subject, where I can share it to my fellow student or to my fellow youth about this subject. I was expecting it before I enrolled this subject. And my learning experiences in this subject is that especially in books, to be honest, some of the content in books hindi ko gin-mention, but when Doc Art is explaining the thoughts and the information about that topic in the books, matamat nga na-earn ko ang mga lesson from him. Iskan ang mga words, dalong nga mga words, first time ko lang mabatihan o mabasahan, even I read it, di ko sa mabasan sa karong sa iyang paano sa mag-pronounce. It is new to me. And when Doc Art explain it, the content of that topic in the book, especially in activities, I can't understand talaga. And that is the reason I didn't finish my books, some of the activities in that book. Lack of knowledge to understand that content in that book, or some of words in that book. One of my suggestions is that I hope that next year, tani ang book, if may book man, hope understandable siya and pwede makakatch sa attention para inspire ang mga estudyante na mag-answer and makabalo or maka-learn sa mga information about the isang book or sa amo nga subject. And that is so that is my honest thoughts, and I hope that ang mga suggestion namon or akon mabatian mo, Doc. That's my honest review and my learning experiences in this subject. That's it.